Hi everyone, this is Joseph from IT.tutorials. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a ASCII app that can draw various shapes like an isosceles triangle, a rectangle and a letter X. Let's dive in. So first you have to create a C file. I created before I start this tutorial, and I call it shapes.c, as you can see. So also as you can see here, I used a few calls of this printf for each shape which I'm going to draw here in this C app. For the triangle, I use this printf call, as you can see, which ends here inside these double quotes with this newline character, the same as you can see for this rectangle and for letter X also. This will make each of these shapes to go with one line below, and shapes we are not stick to each other, and it's good to have their text just to know what kind of shapes this app draws. Okay, so let's dive in. First, for this triangle, I'm going to use two options to draw them. The first option is to use a single call of this function printf. So let's dive in. Here you go. Here is actually the first call of the single call of this function printf, used to draw an isosceles triangle. So let's run this application. Let's look down here in this terminal, and as you can see we have our triangle, but as you can see the shape of it is not isosceles, and here we have a error, logical error as well, because this rectangle is just stick to the end, to the base of this triangle, because I have to use here another new line character. This is fixed, and here I think I have to stick this asterisk to this new line character. So let's run this again, and this time as you can see our isosceles triangle looks good. It is a bit small, but we are gonna to fix this. Let's clean this terminal. Here you go. How I did this, as you can see I used a single call for this function printf. Inside the double quotes I use this asterisk. First here I inserted two spaces, as you can see, one asterisk, and after I used three asterisks, and I inserted one space. Here no spaces, and I used 5 asterisks. So this is the first way to draw an isosceles triangle. Let's run this again. Let's have a look again. Here you go. Yeah. Okay, so let's cut this out using these symbols for comments, and let's use another option that allows us to draw an isosceles triangle here in Visual Studio Code in C language. Another option is to use multiple calls for function printf. So let's dive in. Here you go. As you can see, it's much easier to draw this triangle when you use multiple printf calls than using a single call, as I did before, because you can see on the screen the shape of a triangle as you are doing the code. Yeah, so let's run this, and here you go. Here is our isosceles triangle. As you can see, it looks the same, but in my opinion it's easier to shape it than using a single call of function printf. printf. Now my problem here is, first let's clean this terminal. Let's run it again just to see very clearly this isosceles triangle done with another options using multiple calls for this function printf. My problem with this triangle is that is very small. This is the first one. Another one, I don't like that it sticks to the left of this edge of this terminal. I would like the triangle to be moved somewhere here in the middle, in the center of this terminal. But let's start with the first one to make it bigger. Therefore, what we have to do, we have to insert more asterisks here where we have this multiple printf calls, and we have to insert and to use more another printf functions calls, more printf functions calls. You see clearly I'm using also this new line character to the end of this asterisk inside these double quotes, yeah, in order this asterisk to go on a new line. So let's dive in. Here you go. Let's run this application. Let's see how our bigger isosceles triangle looks like in terminal. Yeah, so let's clean the terminal first and let's run it. Here you go. Our isosceles triangle looks much bigger, as you can see. Okay, and looks good, no problem. What I have done, as you can see, I inserted more spaces in that way this triangle to be shaped. Also, as you can see, I used to the end of the asterisk this new line character. Yeah, so in this way you can use printf and these characters, asterisk and new line character, to shape a to make shapes, to draw shapes in C. Yeah, but another thing what I told you, I don't like it that this shape, this triangle sticks to the left of this terminal, so I would like to move it somewhere here in the middle. How I can do this? What I can use? You can use the tab character, the horizontal tab character, which moves any character, any string or whatever have you here inside these double quotes of this function printf with one tab. That means we have to use multiple tabs. We have to use quite a lot of tab characters to move this thing, this isosceles triangle somewhere here in the middle. So let's start. So this tab, horizontal tab character, is made of backslash and letter T. Yeah. So now if I run this, you can see how this asterisk was moved to the right. Yeah, it's not part anymore of this triangle because we use this horizontal tab which moved this asterisk to the right. So to move all this shape somewhere here in the middle, we have to use quite a lot of these tab characters. Yeah, so let's do it. Let's see. First, just here for this asterisk, and let's run it again. In this way I can figure out probably another two tab characters, and the position will be about in the center. Yeah, about now this will be in the center, as you can see this asterisk. Okay, so I'm gonna to copy all these horizontal tab characters and paste it for each call of this printf function, and that will move all these asterisks to the right, towards the center of this terminal, yeah, of the terminal of this text editor Visual Studio Code. Let's run this application now. As you can see, our triangle is moved to the center, but here we have a little problem because I have to insert more spaces here above for this one asterisk. As you can see, our triangle doesn't look isosceles. Actually now it looks isosceles, as you can see, and it's much bigger, it's much visible that small one. So this is all regard to draw a isosceles triangle using multiple printf function calls in a C language. So let's move on. Let's go to the next shape I want this app to draw, namely this rectangle. So let's start, let's dive in. Here you go. The rectangle was quite easy to make it. As you can see, I use these lines of asterisk using multiple calls for this function printf, and the end of the asterisk I use this new line character to make the other asterisk inside the other calls of printf function to go on a new line. So let's run this again, and here is our rectangle. As you can see, before I use this call of printf using this text rectangle and the new line character to make this all this shape to go to a new line, as you can see here in terminal. But what is my problem? This rectangle, it's not placed here in the middle of this terminal. So we do the same thing. I'm gonna to copy these horizontal tab characters, insert it here for each call of this printf function. As you can see, here you go. And now let's okay, I forgot one. Okay, it's done. Let's run it, and here you go. Our rectangle is here in the middle of this terminal. As you can see, we have our isosceles triangle, and we have our also our rectangle. What left to do is this letter X to be shaped by this application. Therefore, I'm going to copy all these lines because I'm going to use them. Yeah, and also here, as you can see, I used before I shaped this letter X, this printf function call we using inside parentheses and double quotes this text letter X and the end of this this new line character, which will make this shape, namely this letter X, to go on new line. So here I need only two asterisks actually, and I'm gonna to insert spaces between them. All right, maybe it's enough, we'll see. It's easy to see the shape doing multiple calls of this function printf. Maybe this is gonna to be too big probably, so let's reduce the spaces inserted. Okay, and you can see the shape comes out how I remove and insert spaces here inside this printf function call. As you can see now, the top of this X letter shape, it comes out slowly. It's not difficult to do it, it's very easy in this way if you use multiple calls of this function printf. Yeah, and slowly we have the top of this letter X shaped already. Here I need in the middle of this letter X just one asterisk. Okay, now here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 actually, because this is in the middle, 6 asterisks. So I'm gonna to copy this line and paste it 5 times. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now again I need only 2 asterisks. Yeah, and now let's put a bit space between them. Okay, another one, and remove the rest of them. Let's go down here, move this asterisk. Okay, I went too far. Now let's remove the others. Okay, here you go. Let's remove and insert spaces again. Okay, let's see how many we have here on the bottom of these letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the same like on the top. So this is the shape of this letter X. It came out very well. What I've done, you've seen, I just removed the asterisk and I inserted spaces here to make this shape. Also I use this horizontal tab character to move this shape in the middle of the terminal, and also this new line character to make the asterisk and another call of this printf function, which will display the asterisk to go on the new line. Let's run this application. Here is our X letter. It looks good. Let's clean this terminal now. Let's run it again, this up. Now let's review all these shapes. We have the isosceles triangle, as you can see here. We have the rectangle also, and we have the letter X shape. So all these shapes are looking good. They were done using this ASCII-art, as you can see, and multiple calls of printf function, asterisk, this tab character, and the new line character. So that's all for today. Hopefully you like this application. Actually, the goal of this tutorial is to practice, and the tutorial actually is recommended for the beginners, and I think the practice is very important. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.